Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to find Twitter username and password. So let's get started. First things first, you want to head over to the settings of your phone. Now scroll down and look for Google. Right there. Just wait for it to load. Click Manage your Google account. Once you're here, head over to the Security tab. Now scroll down and look for Password Manager. Click Manage Passwords. Now here, this is where all of your saved accounts are stored. Keep in mind, if you did not save your account when you previously logged into your account in Twitter, it will not show up here. Because of course, you did not save it. Only saved accounts are stored here. Anyway, let's look for Twitter now. There it is. Then enter your password. And once you're here, all you have to do is click this I button and you'll be able to see your password. And your username or email will be shown above it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.